How to fix Wi-Fi not showing up on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First, if your Wi-Fi network is not showing up or you are not connected to any network on Windows 11, follow this simple step. First of all, go to Windows search icon at bottom left corner and type in services. Once you find it on the best match, click on open. After that, you need to search for WLAN AutoConfig. So let's scroll down. Once you have located it, you simply need to right-click on it and select Properties. A new window will appear where you need to set the startup type to Automatic and click on OK button and then apply the changes. After that, you need to update the Wi-Fi driver. Right-click on the Start button at bottom left and select Device Manager. Now expand the network adapters. And you need to simply locate your Wi-Fi driver and now right-click on your wireless network adapter and then select Update Driver, and then you need to simply search automatically for drivers, and as you can see, best drivers for your device are already installed. If not, you need to install the best drivers for your device. After that, you can easily reinstall Wi-Fi driver as well. By following this step, we can easily fix Wi-Fi not showing up on Windows 11. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.